Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M.Wilson is delighted in presenting the important events of the economy today. Empower yourself by watching this video. Subscribe MWN.com. Thank you.
Solar products important in exports are shown in the chart. Waiting time for Indian customers is shown in the chart. Sales of 6 different vehicles for March and for the financial year 25 are shown in the chart. Sales of 8 different vehicles for the financial years 24 and 25 are shown in the chart. Projects executed by government and private for the last 5 months are shown in the chart. Capital expenditure loans given by central government to state governments for 5 years are shown in the chart.
1. Rise Worldwide Limited. Rise, a wholly owned subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited, and Blast Exports Limited. Blast, a wholly owned subsidiary of Blast APS, announced an agreement to form a joint venture to conduct exports business in India. The strategic partnership will form a new JV. The partnership will help to accelerate this growth by bringing BLAST's globally recognized exports properties and production techniques to India while co-creating new tournament IPs tailored to the fast-growing gaming market. Exports mean video gaming. 2. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, APSEZ, released its business update for the month of March wherein it announced that the company has handled 41.5 MMT cargo volume during the period. This, it added, was up 9% on a year-on-year basis and is also the highest ever cargo volume posted by the company. The growth was led by container handling which witnessed a 19% year-on-year increase. 3. JSW Energy said it has reached or installed generation capacity of 10.9 gigawatts, surpassing the 10 gigawatts target it has set for the financial year 25. It has added 3.6 gigawatts of generation capacity during financial year 2025, marking the highest annual capacity addition in the company's history. JSW Energy's total capacity expansion of 3.6 gigawatts during the year was primarily driven by organic wind capacity. 4. India's manufacturing activity, picking up to its highest in 8 months, at 58.1 in March as against 56.3 in the previous month, data released by S&P Global. The latest reading showed a substantial improvement in the health of the sector that was above its long-run average. Although international orders slightly slowed, overall demand momentum remained robust, and the new orders index recorded an 8-month high of 61.5. Business expectations remained fairly optimistic, with around 30% of survey participants foreseeing greater output volumes in the year ahead, compared to less than 2% that anticipate a contraction. 5. India's estimated 6.5% economic growth for the current financial year will be the highest among both advanced and emerging G20 countries, supported by tax measures and continued monetary easing, according to Moody's ratings. Amid U.S. reciprocal tariff threats, Moody's noted that large emerging markets like India and Brazil are better positioned to attract and retain global capital in risk-averse conditions. India has a low external vulnerability indicator (EV) of 61%, indicating its relatively lower susceptibility to external financial shocks. This is supported by its relatively modest external debt to GDP ratio of 19% and low export dependency on the US, about 2% of GDP. 6. Parliament was informed that the government has issued a total of 67 tranches of sovereign gold bonds (SGBs), amounting to 146.96 tons of gold till 2024-25. The outstanding value as on March 20, 2025, on issue price is 67,322 crore rupees for 130 tons of gold. Redemption of SGBs is based on the prevailing market price. The government has maintained a gold reserve fund (GRF) in the public account where the price and interest differential amount is credited in time. The SGBs, in addition to other borrowing instruments, have been an instrument for raising resources for financing fiscal deficit. 7. Traditionally, real estate investment in India has been concentrated in metro cities, particularly the Mumbai metropolitan region (MMR) and the National Capital Region (NCR). Among the emerging hotspots, Aliborg, Lonavala, and Khandala have gained significant traction, offering luxury living amidst natural serenity. According to Magic Bricks Insights, over 13% of Aliborg's current residential supply is priced above 3 crore rupees, up from 23% a year ago, indicating an accelerated uptake in 2024. Similarly, in Lonavala and Khandala, more than 50% of residential supply is valued over 3 crore rupees, a shift from 75% at the beginning of 2024, reflecting active investor participation in these premium locations.
I am Dr. M. Wilson. Thank you for watching the video and the channel mwn.com.